Hey, let me stop. Hey, welcome back to another freaking video. As you see, my crusty old edges, and I got stuff all in my hair that is so nasty. This how the back look. Oh my god, it is so hit. But don't worry, I'm gonna use some heat protector. I like to use like a little bit of oil because to make it more slicker and nice, and it smells so good. This is how much I use. Just a little bit. It's a little bit. So I'm just slicking it back, you know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Turning the back, slitting it up. Ooh, ooh. I noticed I still got a little hair to grow. I got to grow from that bald spot, but it's okay. It's okay. Now, the next step is okay, the next step, you're going to need some 24-hour edge control tamer. Okay, this tamer works so good. You're going to need a little toothbrush that you don't use on your teeth. Okay, so I'm just slicking it up. Alright, I'm slicking it down. All my baby hairs I want slicked down. Okay, so you just keep on slicking them. Just slick them down. Slick them all down. Alright, so I'm dipping in 24 hours edge control. You know, you supposed to do your edges like going with a curve to it. And you hold it. You see how I'm holding it with my fingers when I curve it with a C? And I didn't like how that part was looking, so I brushed it up a little bit because I'm missing a little bit of hair, but that's okay. You're gonna keep on curving it until you get it right. Okay. So I'm gonna keep on slicking it down and swooping it. Just swoop and dip, baby. Swoop, there it is. So I just swoop my edges, swoop them. Just keep swooping. So I'm moving a little closer because I want y'all to see. Okay. So I'm gonna help y'all out with a little secret. So I'll swoop some more here out, just get a little bit tad more because you don't want no thin edges, okay? So I keep swooping them, then I brush them up, okay? That's how you get the little curls, okay? The little swoop, little curls. So just swoop it up. There it is. Swoop, there it is. Swoop, there it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna brush them up, brush them, swoop, going back and fixing them, dipping, dabbing, fixing them. Alright, so you see, it's all easy and simple. Just brush them up, brush it up, just get all them hair, just get them. All the parts that's sticking out, just put them back and swoop it up. Get them. So on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Get some hair. I get them baby hairs, right? And I swoop. Hold, swoop. Swoop. Hold, swoop. That's what you want to do. You swoop it in your roll hair. You swoop it in your hair. And, I got a little bit of makeup in there, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep on holding and swooping. Just swoop. Boom. Oh, yes, biz. Yes, it looks so good. So, right here. Get a little more here, okay? It's okay to get a little extra here and there. But I'm going to hold that bad boy and I'm going to swoop it. And I'm going to hold it. I guess I don't like how that looks, so I'm going to just swoop some more hair out. It's okay to get a lot of hair. And I'm going to swoop that bad boy up there. Yes, I am. Who won't tell me I can't? I know y'all see a little bit of makeup. That's okay. I'm going to fix that.
Damn!
Now, bitch, we gonna get some got to be blue hairspray. Now, this bad boy is gonna get everything put together, okay? It's gonna get freeze all them little flyaways, all them little sticky hairs. All this gonna be flat and slick down. You wanna know why? Cause I'm using my toothbrush to slick it down in my hands and slick it down some more. Ooh, a bitch is feeling herself. You can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna take this little hair clips, boom, stick it in the back, pow. Ooh, 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 yes, bitch. Ooh. I get a front row look at it. Look at my edges. Ooh. Let me slick it some more, you know. Just a little bit, yeah. Perfect. Ooh, I'm getting up. What I'm getting up for? Ooh, what I gotta get? Huh? Ooh, look how I look. Ooh. Cheese, smile, bitches. Hey, boo. Ooh, 360 on it. Ooh. Yes, bitch. This how your eggs supposed to. Ooh, snatch. Let me steal her man, hoe. Let me take my man, hoe.